One of the most common social engineering scams out there is a concept known as phishing. Now, phishing relies on a combination of fear and trust to convince somebody to take action in a really bad moment. A really timely and relevant example of this happened in the United States in 2016. High-ranking government officials had their accounts hacked simply because they fell for one of the oldest tricks in the book. Now, I want you to take a look at this email, which is similar to that same text they received, and see if you can spot anything wrong. Now, first, of course, you hear, "Someone has your password" as the subject, and that sounds pretty terrifying, right? Someone has your password, and they tried to sign into your account. That sounds terrifying. They even gave us notes about when and where and how it might have happened. But then, of course, what did they tell you to do? Take immediate action and change your password. Well, at the bottom of this email, there was a link to change your password through a bit.ly source. Now, bit.ly itself isn't necessarily dangerous, but that link should be a little bit suspicious when Microsoft and Google probably would not use such a source in their own scripted emails. Now, when he clicked this link, it took him to a bogus sign-in page. He typed in his actual password, which was just giving it to the criminals so they could steal his information. Now, worse yet, you may see an email like this and think it's right and try to go through the verification steps to protect yourself. But make sure, even when you do this, don't go back through and click this original email. Go through the independently verified source to make sure that you did the right thing. So next time, you'll be more prepared in case a phishing scam like this hits your own personal inbox.